Hello everyone, welcome back to Brass Hall for another Bartender Sessions. I'm Wolfman, I'll be your bartender. Now today we're going to make a drink we call the Irish Trash Can. We're going to start off with a pint glass, fill it with ice. We're going to do ½ ounce of vodka. Using Titos, a little bit of gin. Some rum, peach schnapps, and some blue sea. And we'll take a little bit of lemonade and top it off with a little Sprite. There you go. That is an Irish trash can. Prepare to get trashed. Oh!